Alright. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. Today, my lovely wife Stacy is here to help me announce the winner of the Welder giveaway. I will be using a randomizer and Stacy will be reading the winners out to you, so good luck to all of you.
Good luck! Okay, the winner of the third prize, the YesWelder heat resistant welding gloves, is, let's see, it's like Wheel of Fortune. I love this. Funky Red Monkey! Woo-hoo! Funky Red Monkey! Fabulous. You just won heat resistant welding gloves. Okay, the second runner-up, winner of a YesWelder graphic helmet with your choice of 6 designs is Lynn Kane 234. Lynn Kane 234. Congratulations. Okay, and so our top winner of the YesWelder MIG 250 Pro. Are you ready? Because I have wine to toast you, winner. Matt Velardis 8072. Congratulations, Matt Velardis. I hope I'm saying it right. 8072. Okay, if your name was called as one of the 3 winners of these 3 prizes, please email Joe by midnight, December 15th at hardworkgiveaway@gmail.com. Give him your shipping address, your phone number, and your email that's linked to your YesWelder account. Congratulations to all the winners. Cheers! Maybe I got to be in more videos now.
Yeah, maybe.
Cool.
Bye now.
Bye.